Ever noticed how kids' birthday parties somehow turned into mini weddings? It used to be a simple cake, a few balloons, and some giggles in the backyard. But now it feels like you're planning a mini Coachella with themed cookies, balloon arches, and a photographer who costs more than your wedding photo package. One minute you swear you're keeping things simple, and the next minute you're pricing out themed dessert tables and debating whether you really need matching family shirts. It's like there's this invisible competition we never agreed to join, but somehow we're all in it. And then comes the guilt. You start wondering if a simple backyard cake means you don't love your kid enough. But deep down, we know love isn't measured in balloon arches or custom cookies. It's in laughter, hugs, and the moments they actually remember. The real danger? If we keep doing this, we're not just draining our wallets. We're teaching our kids that celebration means bigger, more, flashier, and mama, we deserve peace. They deserve joy, not debt. And there is a smarter way. Moms swear it saves them hundreds. Moms are cutting party costs by over 70%, while making birthdays more meaningful. You don't need fancy decor. You need this strategy. Hey mama, welcome to Budget Betty, where we say it proudly. Real tips, real moms, real savings. I'm Betty, your mom friend who believes joy greater than pressure. Hit subscribe, because we're building a community of smart moms who spend intentionally, not emotionally. This video is for education plus inspiration only. Do what works for your family. Today we're learning the party hack that moms use to save hundreds step by step with real examples. Let's do this, mama. We've been trained to think the perfect party is the one that looks best on Instagram. But moms, that pressure is exhausting. Our kids don't need flawless balloon arches. They need our presence, not perfection. Imagine planning a day full of giggles instead of worrying if the banner matches the plates. Let's flip the script. Instead of Pinterest perfect party, we choose memory first moments. Think cake on tiny faces, sticky hands, and grandparents clapping instead of scrolling for the next photo angle. Real joy, real mess, real love, that's the good stuff. And guess what? Most themed parties cost around $350 to $900, and that's a lot of money for things kids forget by bedtime. A memory-focused celebration can cost as little as $40 to $120 and still be more meaningful. It's not about cheap, it's about choosing heart over hype. Simple doesn't mean boring, simple means intentional. It means choosing laughter over labels, connection over comparisons. Do things that matter, not things that impress, because our kids remember moments, not matching party favors. Moms, what if I told you there's a birthday party hack that saves money and your sanity? No more being the only one juggling balloons, cupcakes, and toddlers. This is the trick moms everywhere swear by, and you're going to love how simple it is. Here's the secret. Team up with another mom and throw one shared party. Instead of planning alone, you split the load, decorations, snacks, even the chaos. Moms save an average of $150 to $300, and honestly, it feels like a parenting superpower. And the best part? Your kids feel like they're celebrating with their best friend. You get support, laughter, and someone who actually understands the meltdown to cake ratio in toddler world. It turns a stressful party into a joyful village moment. The only challenge? Letting go of I want it my way. Instead, you choose a theme and rules together. Because real joy isn't in the perfect balloon arch, it's in moms helping moms. Remember, it takes a village, not a visa. Okay, mama, here's the truth. Kids don't need a picture-perfect party. They need a day filled with fun, laughter, and a little bit of chaos. The kind that makes them giggle so hard they can't breathe. And the secret? One fun activity beats a room full of decorations every single time. Instead of spending hours arranging balloons and matching plates, pick one activity that brings everyone together. Think baking day, backyard camping, painting party, or water balloon madness. When kids' hands are busy, their hearts are happy. It's magic every time. And mama, this isn't just about joy. It's a budget lifesaver. Activity supplies? $20 to $60. Fancy decor package? Try $180 to $400. That's real money staying in your wallet while your kid still has the best day ever. Yes, it'll get messy, but mama, mess is childhood. Your kids won't remember the centerpiece. They'll remember laughing. That's why moms everywhere swear by this hack, because happiness beats perfection every time. Okay, mama, real talk, party decorations don't need to drain your bank account. Instead of buying a new banner or cake stand every birthday, imagine simply borrowing them from another mom. It feels like stepping into a magical treasure room, but everything is free and mom approved. This is the Mama Swap Club, where we share party magic instead of receipts. One mom lends a rainbow banner, another shares a cooler, someone else brings cake stands. It's like a mom adventure squad defeating high party costs together. Buying new every year, that's $150 plus down the drain. Borrow from your mom circle? Free. And honestly, it feels good knowing we're saving money and saving the planet a little at the same time. Sure, styles might not always match perfectly, but here's the hack. Pick neutral. Simple themes so everything blends. Childhood isn't about perfect decor. It's about memories, frosting smiles, and moms who show up for each other. Moms, let's be honest for a moment. Kids don't come to parties to sit down to a big meal. They come to play, run around, and grab snacks that interest them. So let's stop stressing about fancy catering and just keep things simple, mama. Full catering sounds fancy, but honestly, it's expensive, stressful, and most of that food ends up untouched while the kids chase bubbles and balloons. A simple snack station saves money and sanity, trust me. Think fruit cups, popcorn, crackers, and juice boxes, cute little kid-approved bites. It looks adorable, it's budget-friendly, and you won't spend the whole party refilling trays. Set it up once and enjoy the fun with your kids, that's the real win. Some moms worry it's not enough variety, but here's the truth. Kids eat one cookie and run off again. Keep it simple, mama, because sophistication isn't in the menu, it's in the joy. Mama, here's a game changer. Ask for experience gifts instead of more toys. Our homes already look like mini toy stores, right? This shift not only saves space, it builds memories that last way longer than plastic pieces ever could. Think zoo passes, museum tickets, or a fun ice cream date. These are moments where your kids light up, run around, laugh, and connect. Trust me, those happy squeals beat any battery-powered toy sound. Toys cost $25 to $60 each, and they pile up fast. But a day feeding giraffes or riding a carousel? That memory sticks forever. You're not being cheap, you're choosing moments over mess. Tell your family, we're collecting memories this year. It feels empowering, mama. And when you look back at pictures of laughing kids instead of piles of toys, you'll never regret it. Ever notice how every year feels like we need a brand new party theme? But moms are realizing kids don't need a Pinterest-level setup to feel special. What they really want is something familiar, cozy, and full of love. Instead of chasing themes, build one special birthday tradition your child will look forward to every year. It doesn't need to be expensive, just meaningful, personal, and uniquely yours. Think memory jar, birthday breakfast crown, or a little year recap slideshow. These tiny rituals make your child feel seen, loved, and celebrated, not just decorated around. Themes fade fast, but traditions build memories your kids will talk about forever. Because in the end, they don't remember the decor. They remember how deeply they were loved. We shifted from perfection to connection. Shared parties, activity days, mom swap circles, simple food, experience gifts, and sweet traditions. Motherhood isn't a competition, it's a community. The best parties aren't the fanciest. They're the ones full of love. If this helped you breathe easier and save money, hit like, subscribe, and share with a mom who needs this reminder. Tell me in the comments, what's one party tradition you love or want to try? You're watching Budget Betty, real tips, real moms, real savings, and remember, your child needs you, not a $600 balloon arch. See you next time, mama.